Hey everyone, if your adhesive Velcro isn't sticking anymore, here's a quick and easy way to fix it. You can see here the problem is the old adhesive gave out, so the Velcro stayed attached to the seat while the protector fell down. To fix it, I picked up this industrial strength adhesive Velcro. First step, we're going to remove the old Velcro. Now we're going to open up our new Velcro, and it's time to get to work. It comes in a roll, so you just cut off what you need, and you can already hear how strong the Velcro is. Now that I've measured the sizes that I need, we're just going to cut them out. It's simple as that. We're just going to peel off the backing and stick the new Velcro strips right into place. Now we're going to press the seat protector firmly against the Velcro and make sure everything gets a really good grip. We're going to give it a few good presses, then lift the seat back up. As you can see, it's holding nice and tight again. Just like that, it's fixed and good as new. And this is the Velcro I used. I'll leave a link in the description below if you need it. Thanks for watching.